Shut down your laptop in seconds using Alt plus F4. Hey everyone, welcome back to Purnarams EduPoint. Today I'm going to show you a super quick trick to shut down your Windows laptop using just your keyboard, no mouse needed. Alt plus F4 is a powerful shortcut that closes the current window. But if you're on your desktop, pressing Alt plus F4 actually opens the shutdown dialog box. It's one of the fastest ways to power off your system. Let me show you how it works. Minimize or close all open windows until you're on the desktop. Press Alt plus F4. The Shutdown Windows dialog box appears. Hit Enter to confirm shutdown. Want more options? You can also use Fn plus Alt plus F4 on some laptops. Win plus X right arrow U, Control plus Alt plus Delete, right arrow tab right arrow enter. These are covered in keyboard shortcuts to shut down Windows laptop or PC. If Alt plus F4 isn't working, it might be due to your laptop's function key settings. Check out why Alt plus F4 isn't closing any window. Fn lock, Fn plus ESC, and that's it. A simple shortcut to shut down your laptop in seconds. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Purnarams EduPoint for more tech tips and educational content.